protecting me, and you keep protecting me.
And actually doing something to help you achieve your future goals, and procrastinating, whether that's going on TikTok, lying in bed, rotting, playing video games, you are sacrificing your life.
Meditated, should've waited, should've never did it. You seem irritated. I'm moving on, I'm putting on my favorite dress, the one you hated. Said I look naked. Don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back. It seems like I give so much and don't get nothing back. This right here is my favorite song. This is my favorite song, guys. This is the saddest story I have ever heard. Call early in the morning when I had the word. Now she said that it's his son. Guys, this is my favorite part. The tell all the homies that you're the one to blame. And when you speak my name, I'd like you to explain the lies you told me. That's why I walked away. I never did complain. You never heard me say you're a sucker ass, bust ass if they ask. Tell them that I ain't mad. I'm just sad it never worked out. You're coming back. Second chance, all that. I love her. If you do not love this, if you do not love this song, honestly, boom. But I was on the other side and didn't notice. I won't waste no time. I won't waste my time when it comes to you. Put my pride aside, give it all to you. You don't like the song? Yeah, Bora. I won't waste no time. I won't waste my time when it comes to you. God. Hi,
Ambele moya, change signori. Where I call in lazy, where I'm Kaleguye. Ambele moya, change signori. Where I call in lazy, where I'm Kaleguye.
Guys, I'm so tired. Like, I'm tired in Katele. Nishu Katazila Gaza, Katala, and then you Katel. Hypo, that I still need to study. If not, I'm going to help my cousin with his assignments. Hypo, in Katele. I'm thinking of taking a nap every single and see that my cousin the assignment. Because it's due on the 19th and I have a presentation on Wednesday. Ngikhathele guys, angithi mina ngizenza uBaptista ngaya e-library ngo-2 ngabuya ngo-10 ebusuku. Yo, ngiyayisola. I'm tired guys, like you don't understand. My butt is hurting. Kubuhlungu yonke, kubuhlungu umzimba jo. Ngikhathele. Ha. Earlier I said that I was gonna go to the library, but I doubt that I will because it's raining cats and dogs and it's thundering. And yeah, I'm just lazy now. And I have a presentation tomorrow, so I need to prep for that. What else did I wanna say? Like guys get dooming and it. Like really, it's really dooming. It's really thundering and raining. And I'm still waiting for my food because I ordered a Mr. D. Like guys, I told my mom that can she please send me money to buy KFC because I really need KFC right now. She sent it. I thought she was gonna say hey on phone. She sent the money, so I ordered food. I'm about to eat, child. Yo, so happy.
And my mom, thank you to my mom. And my mother, thank you to my mother.
Hello?
Yeah, it's working, Patrick. You're doing great.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video upload. For those who don't know me, Kamalam Gomavilo was into Zulu. Welcome to my channel. I'm not okay. Scholar things here. We correct.
You've been working late. But I'm glad you're home. Made your dinner, ran bath water, babe. We got time alone.
I'll come back just now. I'm going there for a few hours because I need to come back and cook because I need to eat proper food, so I'm gonna come back and cook. Maybe I'm gonna go there for 3 hours, 3 or 4 hours, I don't know. So let's go guys.